Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 60424, the Jungle Explorer ATV from Lego City. 92 pieces, you get a nice ATV, a small looks like a cave habitat for the red panda, which to be perfectly honest is about the only reason I picked up this set in the first place, was to get my hands on that red panda animal part. The Jungle Explorer minifigure is also a really cool bonus little thing to get in this set. And it's $11, so it was very cheap to get. I picked it up at Barnes and Noble, and you know, looking forward to getting this little ATV built and seeing the red panda in person. So that's pretty cool. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Jungle Explorer ATV. And we'll start with the main build, of course, the ATV itself. Not bad for a vehicle. I like the color schemes they chose, the orange, the dark blue, and like the olive color green. And like the little windshield piece and all the, it's just a nice little build, like tires. Tires are actually really nice. Good size for this kind of vehicle. Little walkie-talkie and a camera on the back was pretty cool, which goes along with the minifigure, the Jungle Explorer minifigure. Single side printed face, nothing on the back, like the hat and the printed map and the printed compass piece right here. No side of arm or side of leg printing, unfortunately. You know, it's an $11 set, so you're going to get your basic, you know, Jungle Explorer minifigure, which is pretty cool. Star of the show, I feel, is the red panda right here. This is basically why I bought the set, for this little red panda piece. And also the minifigure is pretty cool. So I like the little habitat that build for it. It's very tiny. The whole set's 92 pieces, including the ATV. So it's not a very labor intensive build, but the red panda is really, really cute. I do like that one a lot. And that brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching this far. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more Lego content. Also, please consider following me on my other socials: TikTok, Instagram, Blue Sky, Clapper, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description below this video. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.